Welcome to DS Core Make. In this tutorial, you will learn about enhanced job dialog and how it supports you in elevating your practice's efficiency by unlocking new levels of productivity. The enhanced job dialog is our latest improvement to our manufacturing capabilities on DS Core. Picture this. You have a case with two single crowns. With the new update, your technician can select the one element and send the job to the prime mill from any internet-connected device and continue designing the next case. This parallel processing increases your capacity to handle more patients and delegate tasks efficiently, ultimately leading to more restorations and happier patients. Additionally, the ability to multi-select appliances means you can print models with both upper and lower jaws in a single print job, further simplifying your workflow. Additionally, our latest in-lab cam connected with DS Core Update brings some great speed improvements, allowing you to manufacture splints in about an hour, which is 28% faster than before. This speed enhancement means you can deliver high-quality appliances for excellent treatment results to your patients more quickly. To fully leverage these improvements, your connected devices receive fresh firmware updates to process these new manufacturing commands. These updates are included in the latest version of CEREC and in-lab CAM software, ensuring that your devices are always up to date and functioning at their best. The simplified manufacturing dialog requires a DS Core standard subscription or higher. And that's it! Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for DS Core Diagnose, Plan and Make. Thank you for watching.